What's this?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Neck.
Neck, yes, the giraffe has a long neck. What's this?
Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
Giraffe.
What is
Is
this?
number 12 song?
This came.
Zebra.
You recording?
Uh-huh.
No, a zebra doesn't meow.
Yeah.
Emily, say
You know what that
television.
is?
People.
I don't know what it is.
Hippo.
I don't listen to much of those songs.
What's this one?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Wow.
Rah.
What's this?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Meow.
Oh, it doesn't really meow. What's this?
Poem.
Hippopotamus.
Poem.
You can say hippopotamus. Hippo.
Hippo.
That's right, hippo.
Right.
Where's here? It's a zebra.
She figured it out.
Figured it out. You're a smart girl.